This week didn't look like a holiday. It looked like grit. Long nights, failed deploys, drained API credits, and more error messages than sleep hours. We skipped Christmas, silenced notifications, and locked in on building systems that actually finished the job. We launched multiple digital projects, each with its own mission and audience. LostInTheWoodsDigital.com, evolving into a gamified learning hub for entrepreneurs ready to break away from the 9-to-5 path. MajorConnection.mex, built to help people compare internet providers across Mexico. UtilitiesExplained.com, simplifying complicated utility topics into clear, human language. AlarmBeepGuide.com, decoding alarm sounds, beeps, and system signals. SolarPoweredProject.com, focused on solar energy, batteries, and future AdSense Plus affiliate revenue. Valley Daycare Sites, an affordable web service designed for new childcare centers and local businesses in the Valley. BrokeCoder.cloud, currently on hold while core UI systems get upgraded. RentingExplained.com, temporarily down after a major setback. Our biggest challenge wasn't a lack of ideas, it was learning how to tame them into structure. We cloned GitHub repos, explored branches, tested AI coding extensions, and pushed tools to their limit, sometimes successfully, sometimes face-first into bugs. But every crash taught us something we needed to know. Now we're focused on strengthening the foundation. Clean, reusable tooling pipelines. Better workflows built for consistency. Designs optimized for crawlability and conversion. And a gamified UI that will actually be worth the click. Lost in the Woods Digital is becoming more than a website. It's becoming an experience. Soon it will carry its own original soundtracks, blending a digital meets nature vibe with rhythm and energy. If scrolling feels boring, history feels stale, or tech tutorials feel dry, this is your place to explore a different path. One that sounds like progress, plays like a game, and feels like a journey worth staying for. And here's the new twist. LostInTheWoodsDigital.com will also host groovy soundtracks. If you're bored and want a soundtrack to your scrolling, something fun, upbeat, and vibey, you'll find it there. Who knows? One day it might even land on YouTube too. The wilderness always has a path. Sometimes you just have to build it yourself. And that's exactly what we're doing. Edgar.